guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just got back from Costco like literally 10 minutes ago, and I want to share everything that I got with you guys in my haul. I spent a little bit over $500, and yeah, sorry if you can hear my dog and my smoke detector. Everything's a little crazy right now. Presley's napping, so I want to try to get this done while she's still asleep. And I'm losing my voice because I've been sick for the past like 5 days. But anyway, I got a bunch of stuff from Costco. Don't mind the mess back there. That'll be in a cleaning video. But I got a ton of stuff at Costco. Quite a few new things that I had heard really good things about that I'm really excited to try. And yeah, I just want to share everything with you guys. So like I said, this is a $500 Costco haul, and let's jump right into it. First thing, the freaking smoke detector. Okay, first thing, organic blueberries. I get a big old case because my daughter loves these. She could eat these all day long. She loves them. So we got those. Then we got mandarin oranges because she is also obsessed with oranges, and I love them as well. So we got a bunch of those. Then this is the first time I've seen these 2-packs of organic baby carrots, but I picked those up because we love carrots as well. And for some new meat products that I found, these are the organic Amy Lou Cal and mozzarella char-broiled chicken burgers. I thought these sounded amazing. The ingredients are super clean. It's just chicken, cal, mozzarella, onions, olive oil, rosemary, just like super clean, except there is organic evaporated cane sugar, which sucks, but there's not that much of it, and I don't know, it's all right because these look amazing. Super excited to try those out. I've heard really good things about that brand on Instagram lately, so I'm really excited. Another Amy Lou product, this is the chicken breakfast links, and these are paleo, no nitrites or nitrates, gluten-free and pork-free. So yeah, these should be really good. They're fully cooked, super clean ingredients, just chicken, sea salt, water, parsley, rosemary, and vinegar. That is awesome. So yeah, let me know if you guys have tried any of these products. All right, for more meat, I got 2 of the strips. You get like 3 packs in each one of the organic ground beef. Okay, and then I got 2 of the strips, which come with 3 packs as well, of the organic chicken breast. I'm not gonna get that out. Find were these LO meal prep sets, and I actually bought these from Target a while ago, and I want to say I paid like almost $40, and they were only $27 at Costco, so I just bought another 10-piece set. And then for my potatoes and onions, I bought these baskets. It was a set of 2 for $20 for my pantry. Okay, Samantha, my sister, if you're watching this is the bread that you love that I have bought before. So this is organic, the Essential Baking Company Take and Bake garlic bread. This stuff is delicious. They have all different kinds, and I've tried a bunch, like the French, sourdough, and now we're gonna try the garlic bread. So that should be really tasty. Next, I got my weakness. My Costco finally carries the organic oatmeal dark chocolate chunks by Heavenly Hunks. These are delicious. They're so good. They're like my all-time favorite treat. I love these. I had them at a party that I put on recently, and they were like a huge hit. Everybody loved them. I'm obsessed, so I always stock up. The kids some Stonyfield yogurt. These are strawberry and mixed berry. They love these. They call them yogurt boos. Okay, and then in the haul, you're gonna see that I was on like a huge soup kick. I got a bunch of different ones to try. So the first one is Harry's Organic Creamy Tomato Basil. These looked really good. They just come in containers and you heat them. So I got some of that. That should be really good. Something new that I saw, and I figured this would be good for like just a quick dinner or lunch. Sometimes I'm like not in the mood to cook, and then I end up just going and getting like fast food, and I hate doing that. So I want to try to not do that. So I picked up this organic chicken Alfredo tagliatelle with fresh spinach. All the ingredients are in it. I read the back and it's really not terrible. So I thought this would be good for just a quick dinner. Cooks in 9 minutes. Like, what could be easier? I hope it tastes good. Then another product that I got is sliced grass-fed beef sirloin. These are fully cooked, super clean ingredients. Just yeah, so hopefully this is really good. I've seen this on Instagram as well, so we'll try that out and see if we like it. Then I got the kids these organic apple slices. These are really good and my kids love them. I just hit myself in the face with the bag. That was funny. I got myself some Stacy's organic pita chips. These are really good with hummus or salsa or whatever. I love these. You're not a cool mom unless you get your kids mac and cheese, so I stick to the organic brand, and this is Annie's organic mac and cheese variety pack. Super quick lunches and dinners, so yeah. Then I got the Made Good granola minis. These are gluten-free and organic, and just a nice little snack or treat for my kids.
What is it?
They're little treats. I cannot go to Costco without getting my favorite salsa. This is Garden Fresh Gourmet Organic Jack's Cantina Salsa. I love this stuff. So good. It's my favorite. I could eat like all of this. I put it on my eggs. I put it with chips. I put it on just everything. I love it. More soup. This is the chicken tortilla soup with white chicken. I wanted to try this one as well. I thought it looked really yummy and sounded really good. So then I got these shiitake mushrooms. These are crispy and crunchy and my mom loves them, so I got these for her birthday, which is tomorrow. So mom, actually this will go up after her birthday, so got you this for your birthday along with other things too, not just mushrooms. Big bag of organic Brussels sprouts. I love these. These are my all-time favorite vegetable, and I'm hoping the more I make them, the more my kids will learn to love them. Sorry. The next soup, I think this is the final soup I got. It's organic chicken cal and white bean soup. So I thought that looked really good as well. If you guys have tried any of the soups from Costco, let me know what you think. I'm usually kind of iffy about buying like soup already made like this, but honestly, if I tell myself, oh, I'm gonna make it, I won't. So I figure I'll just get it and then I'll eat it. I got a couple nut butters. So the first one is mixed nut butter with seeds. I think they got rid of Nutso. Do you guys remember that one? At least my Costco has not had it in like months, but this has the exact same things: almonds, cashews, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, flax, all of that. So I don't know, did this replace it? I have no idea. But I got that, and then organic peanut butter. Love it. These are staples, definitely. Okay, next I got my kids some organic raisins. They love these to snack on. Okay, next I got myself some probiotic raw organic sauerkraut. I am taking an antibiotic right now, which I hate to do, but I had a super sore throat over the weekend. Felt terrible, like my glands were really swollen and I just felt like crap. So my doctor suggested a probiotic, and this is like the best of the best. All right, then I got this giant bag of organic tortilla chips because I love them. I literally could eat chips and salsa like for every meal, every snack. I love it. It's my favorite. So then I got some of my favorite Rouse homemade pasta sauce. This is in marinara. I love this stuff. The ingredients are super clean. I'm such a sucker for like the clothes and stuff at Costco. I don't know why, it always sucks me in, but they had their Carter's pajamas on sale. I think they were on sale. Maybe they weren't and I just bought them. I don't know, but I got this one for press. It says little girl, big dreams with the whale. Oh, can you guys see it because of the light? It's so cute. There's the first one. There's the second one. And then the cupcakes. Seriously, so cute. Thought those were adorable. Made some stuff as well. So I got him this pack of Adidas shirts. So we got this one. Oh, just 2 shirts and shorts. So that'll be really nice for jammies or spring, summer's coming soon, I hope. And then I got him some Carter jammies as well. He loves space, if you guys didn't know. So I got him these with the rocket ship. Did you see those?
No.
Aren't they cool? And then on the other side, it just has little space stuff. You all right, buddy? And then I got him this pair of Adidas pants. Thought these would be nice for lounging and school and everything like that. They're really cute. Okay, then I got some Smart Water, and these were heavy, so I didn't feel like lifting them again, but I got a pack of organic chicken stock and a pack of organic chicken bone broth. And that is everything, you guys. That is my $500 Costco haul. super exciting. Really yummy, and now I'm gonna put it all away. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me any comments down below. Let me know if you've tried any of this stuff.
Some raisins.
You want some raisins?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.
1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do.
Okay, so one thing I do every time I grocery shop for my kids is I make this their snack basket, and they know that they can come in here when it's snack time and choose a snack from the basket. So this week, the snacks are these granola treats, raisins, and do they have, oh yeah, and then I have oranges, fruit, you know, that kind of thing. So I make them really accessible.
Faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town.